library transformation at William M. Anderson Elementary School. We've got the Avondale team here because we're doing an automotive zone. This space is for students to really expand their occupational imagination. What if they want to be working at a car dealership one day? There's so many roles that they could play, sales, mechanics, and this is going to give them a hands-on, play-centered way for them to engage in that career field.
Automotive Zone is very unique because they have the opportunity when they go to middle school and high school to specialize in the actual automotive department or mechanics. And so having them have their hands-on experience at elementary school will kind of give them like a leg up to know what to expect when they move on to middle school and high school.
Mark Sandoval, and I am the principal here at William Anderson. And a lot of our students did express an interest in automotive. We do see that a lot of them go back to, the jobs that their parents have in our community, and they were super excited. So I think that's something to spark their interest and get them excited about maybe a trade that they want to go into once they go out into the real world.